Hello everybody, it's Josh here from California Ticketmasters again. I'm coming at you with a new video to explain simply how California Ticketmasters work. A lot of people ask this one question: if it was so easy, why isn't everybody else doing it? Probably because they don't know how. Today I'm going to show you how easy it actually is to fight any ticket you ever faced with, no matter where it's at, no matter what stage it's at, or no matter what status it's at. Suspended, license, all that included. So, the diagram on the board is going to explain to you how this actually works. So, let's take the first step. Let's look at the diagram first. You have a judge, a defendant, and a plaintiff, right? Now, we all know what the judge's position is in your case. The judge is there to see who's telling the truth, correct? Now, the defendant is only there because a plaintiff or someone complaining against them has complained to the court, got the court involved in the situation, and they're looking to get some kind of retribution for what you've done to them, allegedly, all right? But this whole situation begins and ends with this plaintiff. Now, what is actually a plaintiff? A plaintiff is the injured party. What does that mean? Injured party means that you've done something particular to the plaintiff. You either injured them monetarily or physically in some cases. But let's say in the ticket, you've injured them in some kind of way. That's why you're in court, and they're complaining to the judge about what you did. So, the question you have to ask yourself in your ticket scenario is, who did you injure? Number one, okay? Now, once this plaintiff complains to the court about their injury, they have to file a complaint against you. That's step number two. They have to file a physical written complaint against you. Now, once they file the complaint must be verified. Now, who verifies the complaint? Normally, it's the district attorney's office that verifies the complaint. Now, what verifying the complaint actually means is that they're taking a complaint from the injured party. They're going through the complaint to make sure everything that they're alleging is actually true. And then once it's true, it becomes the verified complaint. Now, the verified complaint is the most important aspect of this whole situation. Because once you get a verified complaint filed against you, that is when the court has what they call jurisdiction. And jurisdiction means they have the right to try you. They have the right to issue, in major cases, like an indictment against you, or there's something they call information against you. Information gets filed against you in traffic ticket cases or lower criminal cases. So, in this case, they must have had, let's go through the steps one last time. It's really simple once you understand the process. So you have to have an injured party. You must have a complainant. Let's start over. An injured party. The injured party must file a complaint against you. The complaint must get verified once it's filed. And then once it's filed and it's verified, now the court has the right to try you. But let's go back to that first question. Who did you injure? So when you got your speeding ticket, when you got your cell phone ticket, when you got your wrong turn signal ticket, when you even got the infamous camera ticket, answer that question again. Who did you injure? Was anybody hurt? Was anybody left bleeding? Did you take anyone's money in the process? The answer is 10 times out of 10 no. So if the answer is no, let's go back through the steps again. If there's no injured party, that means no one filed a complaint against you. And if no one filed a complaint against you, then the DA didn't verify anything. If they didn't verify anything, then guess what? they don't have jurisdiction, or what we said earlier, the right to try you. If they don't have a right to try you, there is no case. How simple is that, right? Now, go back through the steps using any ticket that you have. You can use this argument for any ticket you ever get the rest of your life. The only thing is, you need to back it up with the law. You can't just go in there and give a verbal explanation like, hey judge, you don't have an inter party against me, dismiss my case. Not going to work that way. It's a court of law. These are facts, but facts are not what the courts go by. They go with facts sustained by law. So that's where we come in. So if you have any questions further, you want to get more information, you must join our California Ticketmasters Traffic Academy. We host them every month. You can log on and join the class by going to this website. It's called caticketmasters.com, or you can call us here, 866-920-0768. Again, 866-920-0768, or CA, as in California, Ticketmasters.com. Thanks for tuning in. More videos to come.